In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy hosting from WP Engine in 2025. If you've decided to use WP Engine as your web hosting provider, you're making a wise choice. WP Engine is renowned for its excellent performance, security, and customer support. To get things started, let's open your browser and go to wpengine.com. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the home page. Next, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll see the menu. Click on Plans. This is where you'll find the various hosting plans WP Engine offers. It's crucial to choose a plan that aligns with your needs, whether you're just starting out or scaling up a well-established site. WP Engine offers a variety of plans such as Startup, Growth, Scale, and even custom options for those with specific requirements. Take your time to examine the features of each plan so you can make an informed decision that suits the goals of your website. Once you're comfortable with your choice, click on the Get Started button beneath the plan you've selected. This will guide you to the next important step, selecting a domain. If you already own a domain name, enter it here. If not, no worries, you can choose to buy a new one directly through the site. After choosing or entering your domain, it's time to create your WP Engine account. This step is straightforward. You'll need to input some personal information. Start by entering your name. Follow this up by providing your email address. Ensure that your email is correct, as it will be used for account confirmations and any further communications you may need from WP Engine. Next, create a password. It's best to choose a strong password that combines upper and lower case letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. With those steps completed, you'll then input your billing information. Fill in your address, your credit card number, and any other requested billing details. Take a moment to review this information. Accuracy is key to ensuring there are no hiccups in the purchase process. Now, before we finalize the purchase, let's review everything. Double-check the hosting plan details, domain name, billing, and account information. Once satisfied, click the Checkout or Complete Purchase button. This action will finalize your order and activate your new hosting plan. Congratulations, you've just successfully purchased hosting from WP Engine. Your website is now one step closer to going live. Feel free to explore additional resources offered by WP Engine to get the most out of your hosting plan. Thanks for watching.